हाम्रो पूर्वीय सनातन संस्कृति, सभ्यता र परम्परा यति शक्तिशाली छ कि संसारकै सबैभन्दा शक्तिशाली राष्ट्रको अझ शक्तिशाली राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रम्पले आफ्नै निवास व्हाइट हाउसमा एक पुजारी बोलाएर स्वस्ति शान्ति गरे। यो गजु रियल हैन, रियल फोटो हो नि। र यसै प्रसङ्गमा संसारका सबै शक्ति राष्ट्रका युद्ध नेता विश्व नेताको सद्बुद्धि फेरियोस् र विश्वमा पनि शान्ति कायम होस् र जे जति पनि गल्ती भए ती सबै नदोरियोस् भन्नको लागि क्षमा याचना पूजा गर्न आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ श्री मनोजानन्द गजुर स्वामी।
I would like to welcome here President Trump for special puja.
Thank you very much. Incredible, amazing. Thank you. Thank you. I heard Chinese formula. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm here to be sorry for my mistakes and careless during this pandemic. My friend from India, Narendra Modi, advised me to do the Shama Puja in White House. So I want to welcome White House a special pujari from Federal Republic of Nepal, Swami Manojananda Gajurawati. Please give a big hand to Swami Gajurawati. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, dear Pujari Manojananda Gajurawati. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I asked for Shama because I let around 2 lakh of my people die because of my incompetence in pandemic. I'm sorry because I let the economy sink and left the American unemployed. I was not working in White House rather than golfing while America and world was in trouble. I went to India and inaugurated the cricket stadium biggest in the world. Thank you very much. Nobody knows about the cricket more than me. I am the embarrassment in the world and everybody laugh at me. I'm sorry, I'm your president. I promise I won't be here much, so enjoy and cherish me while you can. I'm sorry. You have to see this face every day. Wish it was yours. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Donald Trump, President of the United States of America. I apologize on behalf of myself, the American citizens, and the whole world for not being able to see the world as global vision. I saw American the first priority. I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for the destroying the peace of many countries. Should I mention the name of those countries? Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan, and many more. I'm sorry. America is a global leader, so its responsibility also is the must. I apologize for not being able to do so. I should not erect the wall in the border of Mexico. A true leader does not resist the people, but welcome them with love. I apologize for saying the global pandemic COVID-19 is the Chinese virus. I would like to request, too many Asian people are saying the American Fauci Kira for this. If they stop to say the American Fauci Kira, I don't want to say coronavirus, the Chinese virus. As a consequence, America has the largest number of the COVID-19 tested positive and death toll. I should not blaming to others, instead taking right and timely steps to control the pandemic. Thank you very much. I apologize for being rude with American people and other immigrants in the country. My mouth is always uncontrolled. As a result, there were hundreds of gun shooting and killing of innocent people. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, at the end, I apologize in front of the American people. I should not say to use the military force to control the protests against the murder of George Floyd in the country, which led the worldwide people protest against me. I realize in front of the world and the American people, Black Lives Matter. Thank you, thank you. Black Lives Matter, and every creation of the nature is also matter. Thank you. Who's this? No, this is not my script. This is fake script. Thank you. I don't want to say sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please, Pujari, go ahead.
ओम धौ शांतिरंतरिक्षः शांति शांति पृथिवी शांतिरापः शांति.
Oops. What is that?
This is Abhishek.
Oh my God, what's a funny word? I like that word.
Okay, President. Now joining two hands, do the Namaste Mudra and toss the chest.
What? No, I don't do this. No.
No, President. Chest means your own chest like this. Now it is time to apologize, Anushthan. Just do like this and apologize to the world from your soul. Now it is time to pray some mantras. I speak some mantras, you just follow me, okay? Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushti vardhanam urvarumiv bandhana mrityor mokshiyamamrita.
Trayambakam majamahe sugandhim pushti vardhanam urvarumivakeva bandhanan mrityor mokshiyamamritam. Thank you. I'm sorry.
That's good. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu, ma kasit dukha bhag bhave.
Sarve bhavantu dukhina, only America make a greater. Sarve bhadragola pasantu, Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan. I'm sorry.
No, President, now take out your ego and put in your muthi and do like this and follow me. Om Anavik Bhattim Swaha.
No, that is fake. Jadavik King Jom Swaha.
Nuclear Hatyaram Swaha.
Fake. Chinese Matiaram Swaha.
Yuddha Unmadam Swaha.
That is also fake. World Aha.
Excuse me, President. That is not quite correct. So, could you repeat after me, please? Afrikam karatu griha yuddham, Amerika ranga yuddha, Europam cha trade yuddham, Asia cha dharma yuddha, Indo-Pacificam cha, Nepal MCC cha, Yatra tatra charapastam kartu, Aham cha dhikkara cha.
लड़ते इंडो चाइना घुसते मध्यस्थता अमेरिका ग्रेट अगेन चाइना विल ध्वस्तता. Thank you very much. Thank you Pujari. Thank you Swami Manojananda Gajurati. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's over. Apologization Anushthan. Now time for special Kshama Puja. I would like to welcome Mr. President and sit down here and let's start the Kshama Puja.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
First, you take this flower and do namaste and pray God and do special क्षमा याचना. Repeat me. हामीले विश्वमा युद्ध चर्काउन सक्यौं तर शान्ति फर्काउन सकेनौं.
No, that is wrong. We in world mastam saranam gacchami, yuddham saranam gacchami, and dostam saranam gacchami. That's it. Thank you.
हामीले जात धर्म क्षेत्रका नाममा मान्छे मार्न सक्यौं तर मानवताका नाममा मान्छे बचाउन सकेनौं.
Sefroski bigroski, no matlaboski, batta atroski commission patroski, ठेका पट्ट पाप्लाको थोत्रो यत्रा मतलबस्की खर्सो.
औद्योगिकरणका नाममा प्रकृति मास्न सक्यौं तर जलवायु जोगाउन सकेनौं.
वे सोंखिसे तोकुसी निची कोसो भाषै छैन तर पनि चिमो त खै चोन्यो.
टाढाका विदेशीलाई काखी च्याप्न सक्यौं तर नजिकका छिमेकीलाई आफ्नो बनाउन सकेनौं.
मित्रों, जो बड़ों को बात नहीं मानता है उसको पड़ोसी नहीं कहते हैं, उसको खड़ोसी कहते हैं. तो उसके साथ पड़ोसी जैसा नहीं लड़ोसी का व्यवहार होता है.
हामी सुपर पावर बन्न सक्यौं तर सुपर लिडर बन्न सकेनौं. विकास गर्न सक्यौं तर विनाश रोक्न सकेनौं.
No, that is fake. हामीले विकास रोक्ने हो, विनाश रोक्न सक्दैन. Because we all are fighting for ourselves, not for each other. So I want to say, let's make America great again and let's make world trade again. Thank you very much. Incredible. So, take it. Thank you.
IME Remit, देश विदेशबाट पैसा पठाउने नेपालको नम्बर 1 रेमिटेन्स कम्पनी.
IME गरौँ. मेरो देश, मेरो जगदम्बा सिमेन्ट.
उपचार खर्च अब सिटिजन लाइफले गर्छ.
हेलो, सिटिजन लाइफ हो?